doing good emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, all around amazing. And if you're not, if you having one of those days, you are in my prayers. Know that the sun is going to shine and that there are better days to come, okay? So if you are new to my channel, welcome to the Unique Fam. My channel's name is uniquelylex, although my name is Alexis Nicole, so welcome. And for all my returning subs, my mains, my loyal ones, thank you so much for your continued support. So today I'm bringing you a wig review today. I've got my hair bundled up under this wig cap. There are holes all up and through this wig cap because I just haven't been wearing wigs in the longest time. With me focusing on my natural hair and everything, I haven't been wearing wigs like that. So I'm using old wig caps, and you know, as you start using wig caps and you keep using them, they eventually get holes up in that mug. So that's what's going on here. There is no braid pattern up and through this either. I legit have my hair in a big old little ponytail right up under here. So we're gonna hope that this wig lays flat and everything. So y'all, I picked up Miss Kamiyah, however you really want to say her name. I feel like it's fine. It's your wig, sis. Okay, so do what you want to do. This is the stock card. As you can see, Miss Kamiyah is a part of Outre's Melted Hairline. I got her in the number 2. I tend to wear a lot of my wigs natural, so that's the reason why I got the number 2. But as you can see, she does come in many other colors as well. She comes in many other colors. So the popular one that you're seeing all over YouTube and everything is the ginger brown color, that DR2. Now let me tell you the story about Miss Kamiyah. I had already spotted her before she became popular, okay? Which is probably why I got mine, and because I think it's sold out now. But I got her for $37.95. Now, that's a little expensive in my opinion. But I was on like looking for wigs because I was ready to get back into my wigs. You know, when it's wig season, that means it's time to, I'm ready to stunt. I'm ready to become a different person when I feel like it, okay? And slay all day. So, I was online and I got her from, trying to think. Yeah, I got her from Elevate Styles. So they were having a wig sale going on. Now granted, she was not on sale, but they were having a wig sale going on, and so I thought I would snatch her up because she looked really cute on the stock card, and that's what that ginger brown color is that's on the stock card. That really pretty color. But so I picked her up, and then I went on YouTube to see what tutorials may be out on her already, and to come to find out, she is a total hit. Okay, she's what everybody has been wanting and looking for in the wig community. So I'm really excited to try her on. In the stock card, it mentions how she has soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. Okay, pre-attached white elastic band for a secure fit. So this is going to be my first wig that has an elastic band. So I'm interested to see how that goes. I've never used an elastic band. Like I said, I'm just now getting back into wigs, so we're going to see how that goes. Natural baby hairs, okay, and redesigned comfort fit ear contour. Interesting. All right, well, let's just pop this girl on. I think I told y'all everything that y'all need to know, at least right now. Let's get into it. Y'all saw this ginger brown color. I didn't get that in the wig because I like to wear my wigs natural. But the thing is, like, I temporarily done my hair this color low key. Go check it out on my Instagram at uniquelylex. It's such a beautiful color. It really is. It's so pretty, especially for the fall time too. So if you're interested in getting into those colors, go ahead, sis. Like, you're gonna be looking cute. You're gonna be looking cute. You might as well. Y'all, so Miss Kamiyah is long. She giving me body. She giving me inches. Okay, y'all. I look. You see how excited I am because I have not had long hair in so long. Like, my natural hair is still like it maybe hits here on like a twist out. So I haven't had hair that's super long in a minute. Flow. That's what we about. Okay. So she's flowing, as you can see. So this is Miss Kamiyah. This is your hair texture that you're getting, or at least in the number 2. Should be all the way the same. How I feel, like, okay, like, it does feel yucky. like some yucky clip-ins that I've gotten in the past. It does feel like that, but mine feels a little hard on the ends. Like it feels a little hayish. Up top it feels a lot softer, but then down here it already feels kind of raggedy. Like it's about to give me like a week. Hold up, y'all, what the frick? And what I just tell you that the ends felt raggedy. I don't even know if y'all can see that. There we go. Y'all, what is this? What is this? Why do I have at least 5 strands of hair in my hand when I just took you out the package? Okay, like don't fail me now, because I have hope. I have hope for you. I have hope for you. So let's not do that. Let's not do that no more. Let's just make sure that was maybe. No. There go another one. Y'all, y'all can't see this. Y'all most likely can't see that. There is legit hairs just falling up out of here. Okay, now I'm not a huge stickler on shedding because I realize wigs is gonna shed, but the fact is I just took you out of the package. I just took you out the package. There should be no shedding. I haven't whipped, I haven't flipped, I haven't done none of that. There's no reason, there's none. Okay, anyways, moving on. This is what the inside looks like for you. Hold on. The inside construction of the cap, you have your 2 combs up top, bottom comb, adjustable strap. You do have your adjustable straps at the bottom as well for a more secure fit for my little head people out there. Your girl got a big head though, so honestly it's not gonna matter. It's really not gonna matter. Okay, I'll be lucky if this fits. I got it. Forgetting about that people be making wigs small, but after I watched some reviews I was hearing that it should be big head friendly, so I'm hoping that it don't make your girl look stupid. Okay, that I don't look crazy on here, because if I look crazy I'm probably not gonna post this. So if you've seen it, that must mean that it came out popping, or at least decent, so I could provide it to y'all. And then you have the lace. It is looking ashy on my skin, but it does have like a little tint to it. Now when I'm looking at this parting y'all, it looked like it's about to be good. Okay, it looked like it's about to be making me happy, and it looked like it shouldn't need to be pre-plucked or anything. The hairline doesn't look that bad either. There's just a lot of flyaways on this wig, so we gonna work it out though and see what we can do. Now that I see people saying there's a lot of lace, there sure is. Like, what we need this much lace for? I mean, let me know. Like, I'm still a beginner, so let me know if anyone knows in the comments. Let me know why we need that much lace for. All we're doing is cutting off for the most part. All right, I'm about to throw this on my head. I'm about to keep the adjustable strands though on the furthest hook, because like I said, your girl has a big head. Okay, so I don't need it no tighter. I'm not trying to get no headaches. Alright y'all, so I am back. Yes, I had a malfunction. I really tried it. I played myself completely and I played y'all completely, thinking that I was gonna be able to get that hair of mine with not braiding, with not twisting, nothing, up under a wig. If you would've, I played myself. So I ended up having to wash my hair. I got it twisted up now under this wig cap, so I should be able to fit under the wig now and actually review it for you all. So I'm in a new outfit, new everything, because this is a new day, because I wasn't about to do all of that in one day. So let's get to it. This is what I get for not having worn wigs in a hot minute and thinking that I knew what I was doing. So this is what we're looking like, having not cut the lace yet. All right, I'm gonna go cut the lace, plop it on with my wig glue and whatnot. All right, y'all, I am back after I plopped it on my head. Okay, so I didn't do the full-on thing. It's late at night. I'm just wanting to try these on for y'all so you can see the gist of what the style looks like of the wig. The only thing that I did was apply some glue right here, which you can see it's the Got To Be glue. It undried white because I was trying to do things in a rush and I sprayed a whole bunch instead of just a little bit. So you can see that white cast, but other than that, I just put my skin toned powder over that part. So I used my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. It looks like that. This is a keeper. I done had this for like 5 years, y'all, and it's just now at the very bottom, if you can see that. Just now. So but that's the powder that I use to throw over the parting space. As you can see, it has a really good parting space. You have what, like 3-4 inches or so. Now I did not glue I didn't glue down the sides, as you can see. Bop bop, because I don't have time for that. I'm sorry, just not gonna do that when I'm about to go to sleep. So it is laying on me. On me, I want to say it's like 22, maybe 24 inches. I am 5'3" for reference, so I'm short, so it hits a lot longer on me. In the back, I don't know if you can see that. You know, but it's cute. It's real cute. The fibers on it are not bad. I don't know if it's just mine, y'all, but I got hella flyaway hairs going all over the place. So I used my hot comb to press down the top, even though it really didn't need that, honestly. I am using the elastic strap that's attached in the wig, so I'm not using the combs up here, which is why it's so, sis will fly away in the wind if I was outside right now, okay? But I just wanted to show you the lace looks pretty well, though you will have to use like your powder or foundation, whatever you use to make it look the most resemblance of your skin color. That's what you're gonna need to do to this wig. Other than that though, I'm not getting, oh, that's a lie. Again, mine is like shedding, and it could be due to me cutting the lace, but y'all saw at the beginning of this video that my itch was already shedding. So I'm just expecting this wig to be a shedder. The ends are pretty nice. They're not super raggedy. They have a little curl at the end. I do like the loose wave, although I feel like my unit didn't come as waved up. Like I would maybe want to throw a little heat on there just to give it a little bit more curl in the bang area, but it is nice. I guess I should have worn a different color shirt. Sorry, y'all. I'm wearing black on black. Again, this is a number 2, but it's full. It's full of body. At first I didn't think it was going to be once I put it on my head, but it was. So y'all saw I got a big head, I got a lot of hair, and it is fitting on my head, so I would say that it is big head friendly. And for my smaller head girls, this is most definitely going to fit you. And with the elastic band, and you have the adjustable strap in the back too, you'll be set as well. And then my medium head girls, y'all just gonna be perfect. Perfect. The big head ones, you might have to work a little bit, but it is working. It is working. So a really cute style. I mean, I want to say it's up to date with what's going on now with styles of hair. The sides, so I'm looking off because that's where my camera is, my mirror. But the sides of the wig, as you can see, or as I said earlier, it does come with sideburns, and so these, I would say, would be your sideburns that you would want to shave down, you know, not make as thick or anything like that for you, because it does come pretty far down. As you can see, this is my ear, so I would either want to cut those completely off if I didn't want the sideburns. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet with that, but this is just what it is right now. As far as baby hairs go, I struggle with that baby hairs comment because I don't feel like my unit came with a whole lot of baby hairs, but I mean, I'm the type to wear baby hairs too, so I'm gonna be wearing some baby hairs. Once I actually lay this down to perfection, I'll be having some baby hairs in there. But as far as if I saw any right now, not completely. But y'all, you see that? Like, The hairline is nice. Whew. You could do a cute little once I actually lay it down and whatnot, but it can be real cute for you, real cute sis, real cute. Or I'm real stickler about the wigs that are too tight, that it's gonna give your girl a headache. I get headaches pretty easily, so I can't for certain say if I'm not gonna get one with this one, because I mean it is a little snug on my head. I'm trying to tell y'all, I got a big head. It's what God gave me. Like, I got a big head with a big brain though, okay? So I don't feel like I would get a headache until maybe like towards the end of the day if I were to wear this all day. Whereas some wigs, I know I'm about to get a headache within the first 30 minutes of me wearing that thing. So I will say that much. But other than that, this is the review on Miss Kamiyah, whatever you want to call her. I definitely think it is a beginner friendly wig for those who are first starting out, because really all you have to do is plop it out of the package, throw it on your head. You got the elastic band in there, the adjustable straps, and the combs if you want to use all of them, or if you just want to use whatever works best for your head. Cut that lace off, add a little bit of powder and glue, and you're set. So if you want to give Miss Kamiyah a try, definitely go check her out. I will put the link in the description box of where I got her from, and then if I can find any other links for Miss Kamiyah, I will throw those in there too. I know that she's been truly sold out, so I'll do my best to find some links for you all, but if I can't, I'm sorry. I hope you do get her and test her out and let me know what you think. We gotta do that test. We gotta do that test where we whip it. Okay, y'all know I gotta do that test for us just to make sure, we gotta do the flip test just to make sure that that thing ain't gonna fall off your head if you get to, you never know what might happen, right? So we just gotta make sure that that thing gonna stay. Okay, do you like her? Do you like Kamiyah? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Of course, if you would like to continue to follow me on my journey with natural hair, with style, with life, with wigs, whatever it might be. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.